Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Yes, I'm fine. So here is Murad Rana is my student. I'm his mentor, Johnny Khan. Okay.
Okay. Hi,
So
I'm Wendy.
actually, you were text replying text, so that was a little bit make perplexed. So that's why I tell Murad to join through Zoom meeting so that we can understand your project perfectly, right?
Okay.
So can you tell me a little bit in details about your demand so that if is that possible to
What I'm
do?
looking for? Um, Residential, not B2B, B2C. I need their first name, their last name, address, email, phone number.
So which types of people we have to collect? Like only
Oh,
residential?
solar that are
Solar.
interested in solar.
Those are interested in solar, right?
Yes.
So
And
like
residential.
in online, like it could be the main source for LinkedIn, okay, and like Facebook. So this is called pre-qualified lead, and pre-qualified
Okay.
lead is not like available in online. Like it could be Google, it could be like LinkedIn or any other social media. So for finding who want to get solar service or solar related interest people, you must have
Or
to
is just interested in a consultation, a
understood.
free consultation.
So we can run a Facebook ads or Google ads, okay. Then who wanted to get our service or free consultation, you can make a meeting with them, or we can collect their first name, last name, email address, who want to take your service,
And
because
phone number.
and phone number, because this type of lead is called pre-qualified lead. So pre-qualified lead is not available. Like that's why we have to run a Facebook ads, we have to run a Google ads. So which ads, like if you fare with Facebook ads, we can help you to run the ads and collect the leads, okay. So we don't know how many people will fill up, but we can run a test campaign 3 to 5 days, then like minimum $10 per day or $20. Then we can select your targeted area, which area you want to target. Then we can make videos, or you can send a videos like by taking the camera through your webcam or like that, or we
Well,
can.
no, we have link
So
page,
you have link or you have
we
website
have,
thank you page, right?
no, I mean, we have, is it called? The pay where they just put in their info and it takes them directly to a free consultation.
I got
We
the
have,
point, but
drop pages, I think,
okay.
or however.
So you have a website for that, right?
No, oh, yes, I'm with Power Solar. We're a platform. And so I really, the reason I was even doing this right now is because he was saying that he would give
Well,
me the
Wendy,
first 50 leads for free.
Wendy,
So,
I understand your demand, but Murad is like a trainee student. He
well,
not
that's
understand.
fine.
He not understand your demand properly. Okay, so he just able to collect the information, but he don't understand that this lead are able to collect or not. Okay, so that's why.
Right. Well, no, I understand. And you don't, I mean, what I'm looking for is just people who want to learn more about it. They don't even have to necessarily
I
want it.
I
But
understand.
I don't have the money right now because I haven't sold any solar. I'm new in the industry. I teach English online for a platform called Native Camp. And I make like $4 an hour. Well, I'm living with my mom who teaches English also, but she's 88 and she's carrying us. She's paying most of the bills, but I want her to not have to do that.
Hmm.
So I've started doing solar. So right now, until I at least I haven't made any solar install or done any solar installs or,
So
so
you are
until
making
I
the
do,
business, right? So you have a
right, I'm
website.
actually it isn't my business. I work for a
Okay, okay,
power solar. I'm just a consultant.
okay. I got the point. So if you want to get this type of lead, then you must have to run Facebook ads. Okay.
Right, or there's other ways too. I mean, I know there's other ways, but
no, I'm a teacher. I worked last 3 or 5 years in this area. Okay, so this is called a pre-qualified lead. No one can help you through this lead. So only social ads or Google ads.
well, yeah, and which I'm going to do when I have the money to do that. But I currently, I mean, I think I have I don't have a bank account. I don't have credit cards. I have a PayPal account, which I'm sure you know what PayPal is.
Through
and I think I have $5 on my PayPal. So I'm telling you, I make like $4 an hour. So I don't have the money to do that. That's why I was offering them.
Okay. So for in that perception, we are sorry.
Right, exactly.
Without money, you can't run Facebook ads or Google ads.
I'm aware of that.
So that's why this type of lead is not possible to provide you. So that's like a clear concept.
What about if it's not a pre-qualified lead and it's somebody that's just interested?
We can only give you targeted email. Okay, only email. Who are like interested about solar or home like roof change or anything like that. So we can provide you only email and first name. It could be, so you can mail them. So that's if you give.
So you don't have a first name, last name, and phone number.
We can able to provide first name, last name, okay, but not phone number.
Well, because lots of people have the same name, so.
That's why it's not qualified, like it's bulk mail. So if you reach out them through email without investing any money by using your email, then it could be like out of 100 people, 1 to 2 people can responsive. Okay, otherwise
right. If they check their email is the problem.
Yes. So
yeah,
that's
so
the problem.
A lot of people don't even do that.
Yes, because in USA, they have your country have a email marketing rules also. Okay.
Right.
So.
Well, that's okay. I understand. So because I have people that are at least giving me the phone number also, but that's fine. I also have another gentleman who's going to do the Facebook thing or my Facebook landing page or whatever it's called.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
But
if you only want email, we can provide. But this is like bulk mail. It's called bulk mail. Okay. You only send mail through using your email, but we can't guarantee that who will respond or not. Okay.
Well, I understand that, but if it doesn't at least come with a phone number too, I mean, it's just too many people. At least they may answer their phone, or I can send it a lot. Some people don't even have time. I don't check half my emails. Well, I do now, but I have so many email accounts, and they fill up, so I make a new one because I don't want to get it lost. So I mean, I know how people are with just email, so it would, but
okay.
Maybe in the future, when I actually make a solar sale, I will have the money to do a marketing campaign like you're referring to.
If you need future our service, then we are ready to help you anytime. No problem. You can knock Murad Rana. We'll keep continue with you. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thanks. You have a beautiful day. Bye bye.
Bye.